ka, anong oras ka usually nag-start?
Ay, nako. Maaga ako. Kaya
Mga like-
sorry, maaga ka rin.
Oo, na-person din po ako mga kaibigan. So
Yeah.
like 5:30?
Yes.
6?
Siguro mga 5:30. I start at 5:30 because kailangan ko pa i-send off yung mga bata. Mantra ni Billie Jean King,
Okay.
which is pressure is a privilege.
Pressure is a privilege.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So
Expound nga daw.
because when you are given more, like in terms of responsibility or privilege or talent or resources, definitely the pressure is higher. Pressure is higher. Pero kasi hindi lahat ng tao may ganong responsibility, may ganong resources na binigay sa'yo to fix things. Kaya the pressure is high. But it is a privilege because it's not all people are given that kind of responsibility and opportunity to do good things, to effect change, to effect improvement.
So dapat ba matuwa kami pagka nakakapil kami ng pressure?
Yeah. Don't shy away from it. Work on it. Work on it because if it is genuine pressure na it is because why are you feeling that? Because you are given a responsibility that not everybody is given. So it means you are important. You have to get through this.
Joshua 1:8. Keep this book of the law always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night so that you may be careful to do everything written on it. Then you will be prosperous and successful.
Wow.
So sa akin, yung Bible verse kasi parang ito na yung summary mo ng dapat mong gawin eh. Para pag ginawa mo kasing number 1 si God, everything else will follow. Tapos, meron kang nilook forward sa dulo eh. Doon sa dulo ng Bible verse, may sinasabi doon na, you will be successful and prosperous. So, parang meron ka namang reward. So, wag kang masyadong tamarin gawin yung mga nasa Bible. So, hindi sapat din na alam mo siya. Dapat ina-apply mo siya. Walang silbi yung alam mo siya. Wala siyang value for me. Hindi sapat na alam mo lang siya, dapat ginagawa mo siya. At the end, meron naman tayong nilook forward sa taas.